Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the result of bout number 18, winner by RSC at 2 minutes and 20 seconds of the very first round. The winner and the blue corner, Tyron J. Eliusa.
Sa Boga del Norte ka na nakablog.
Congratulations.
Sa Boga del Norte ka na nakablog.
19. Referee, Mr. Banwa. Judges are Judge 1, Mr. Ayapa. Judge 3, Mr. Marsubian. Judge 4, Mr. Humapit. And Judge 5, Mr. Vergara. Official ring physician, Dr. Ernest Adrian L. Rafadan, with his company, the medical team.